Symau, YMARFER Y DYDD heddiw. Today's exercise of the day is the plank crunch, the plank efo crunch. So dechrau rhaid ni mynd lawr mewn I safle'r plank. First of all, we'll have to go down into the plank position. So elbows down, fanelin lawr, mewn sharp feet in the V shape, up on our toes, fyny ar y blaenau'n rhaid. Try cadw'r cefn yn syth, keep it back nice and straight. From there we're going to bring our knee up towards hip and back down. Then we codi'r pen glin, arm in clean, ac yn ôl lawr. Newydd coes, change leg, and repeat. So ideally you need to try and work for 30 seconds with 15 seconds rest. Repeat 4 times. Yn delfrydol, trwy'ch gweithio am 30 eiliad, 15 eiliad orffwys, ac ar adrodd o leia 4 gwaith. Dyna chi YMARFER y dydd. There you go, exercise a day. Over to you, draw I chi.